Welcome to this tutorial. How to print envelopes in Microsoft Word. We all know that Microsoft Word is a versatile tool for creating and formatting documents, but did you know that it can also help you print envelopes effortlessly? Is it complicated to print envelopes in Microsoft Word? Not at all. We'll guide you through the process, making it easy to follow, even if you're not a tech guru. Let's see these easy steps. Open a blank document in Microsoft Word. Click on the Mailings tab. In the first section of Create, click on the Envelopes. Make sure that Envelopes tab is selected in the Envelopes and Labels window. Type your delivery address, and then type your return address in the boxes. Click on the Options button. Click on the drop-down list of envelope sizes and select a size for your envelope. Click on the Printing Options tab and select a feed method as per your requirements. Click on the OK button and it will close the Envelope Options window. Click on the Print button. If you want to save the new return address as the default return address, then click on the Yes button or click on the No button. Your selected envelope will be printed, and make sure that an empty envelope is laying in your printer's tray. See, this wasn't hard at all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.